My name's James Tamburrini from Oasis Garden Services based in Peterborough. I've been in business for about 4 years, self-employed. Before there I was a head gardener at places like Dobby's Garden Centres. Services that we offer is general garden maintenance, primarily lawn care and ponds being our speciality. I came on the Allett Lawn Academy course because I just wanted to fill in some gaps in my knowledge, also to test out some of the products that I'd seen at a previous show from Saltex, and also again just to meet other lawn enthusiasts who are interested in the same thing as me. I think what I've taken away from today, or what I've learnt the most, is again just the different grass varieties, as well as the processes and steps I take just to reconfirm that what I'm doing is actually correct and up to industry standards that we currently go by. Favourite part of the day is getting hands-on, having a look at the new models of mowers that Allett's got. So testing out a lot of their new electric or battery version mowers with the different cartridges in which they do. That was really, really good. I would definitely recommend this type of lawn academy to others. It's well worthwhile if you're interested in lawn, whether it's an enthusiast or just somebody who is self-employed, who's either starting their beginning journey within lawn care or wants to just tag along some extra knowledge to make sure they're on the right path, for sure.